Capricorns, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be looking at your energies for the month of September 2021, the endings. Okay, so this is going to be a love reading, and I'll be looking at your and your person's feelings towards each other, your hopes, outcomes, actions towards each other. And this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. Plus, I have already taken out the cards for you as I'm doing reversals, and for reversals it takes a little time to dig more information about it. So let's get started with your reading now. You can reverse the roles. If this is not you, you can switch to this role. Okay, so just take as it resonates. So let's start. So how do you see your person? The Hierophant in reverse. Along with that, we have the Lovers in reverse with the King of Wands in reverse. So it looks like for some of you this is a marriage which is ending, but this ending is actually coming out of a strong toxicity. I feel that this person is like a tyrant, like a Hitler kind of energy is coming up for you. But yeah, this is like a dominant person who just wants to win, who just wants to get everything they want. Narcissist kind of a person, only and only loving themselves and not giving love, not sharing love with anyone. But this is how you see them. Your feelings towards this person is the Hanged Man, and the clarifies as the Four of Wands and the Sun in reverse. You knew always that this person is always self-obsessed, is always about themselves, is always about selfish, but still you loved them. You wanted to get married to them. You want to be with them in all the thick and thins in your both of your lives. But because of something which has happened all of a sudden, like in recent times, you have started thinking it all over again. There's a transformation which has come up in you, or there's a sense of difference which you are seeing inside you, and that is why you are taking things in a very different way. Although you still love them, although the love is there, the soft corner is there for that person, because you have enjoyed a lot, you have actually seen a lot of beautiful times as well. But still, if the person does not change at all, so it's really hard to just be with this person like forever. Okay, so how do they see you? As the Devil. And along with that, the clarifiers are the Two of Pentacles and the Chariot. Okay, so my dear Capricorns, it looks like they see you as a person, how to say this? Okay, so they see you with lots of lust, with lots of not love energies. Honestly, I don't see love energies. There was love, but now it's a strong toxicity which they carry for you, the negativity which they carry for you. They want to move on, they want to run, but they want to run alone. They do not want anyone by their side. It's not, I'm talking about only you. It's like they are like this with everyone. They might not be having good friends at all. They are alone and they end up alone. So this is a person who is trying to just live a life the way they want, but when you talk about people around them, they do not have any to trust, because they are the ones who have broken the trust of people. So yeah, how they see you as the Three of Swords, along with that the Four of Pentacles and the Star. They see you as the toxic person. They see that you are the one who is greedy, who is a narcissist, who is self-obsessed, who is just thinking about themselves, selfish. And this is how they feel about you, that there's no love inside. They do not carry the love which you are carrying. Although you are in a big shift, this is a big shift in the turn of events, whatever you have seen, but they are the ones who actually have shifted a lot and do not want to carry. You are still in a situation where you want to go to them, but still you are hanging on, you are still controlling yourself. But they have made their decision. They are done with you. This is like that. They just want to win. They just want to make you feel hurt. I don't see the hurt which you are seeing in yourself. Your hopes for this relationship is the Queen of Pentacles along with the Five of Cups and the Strength. Your hopes for this person are high. You still hope that they become very positive towards you, they become stable towards you, they should come towards you, and they propose you for marriage, for stability, for a proper commitment. They should gain that courage and strength inside them, and they just take a decision. You want a lot of positivity for them, Capricorn. I don't know why I was saying Cancer, but exactly, you have that inside you, you have that positivity inside you, but they do not have that, okay, Capricorn. So this is something the wrong has been done to you, but still you are wanting good for them. So in a long term duration, if we talk about, the universe is watching everything, so just be positive. That is the best thing you are doing. You are positive, you are good to others. Whatever the others has done to you, no matter what, you are doing good to others. You are showing your good self to the universe. Okay, so their hopes towards this relationship is the Justice in reverse and the Hanged Man with the Queen of Swords in reverse. They are the tyrants. They're becoming so negative towards the situation that they just want to win. If this is a court situation, if you're dealing with something like anything in court issues, legal issues, so they want to win, and by anyhow they just want to win it. They want, actually, more than winning, they want you to lose. So there's a difference about my winning and you losing. So there's a big difference in that, and they actually want you to lose rather than they are thinking about themselves to win. So yeah, your actions towards this relationship is the Five of Cups. Along with that, we have the Justice in reverse, the Hierophant, and the Tower. So I don't see you getting back together with this person, but somehow you want to get back because you feel that the wrong has been done to you, but you have given the share of the love which you have always felt for this person. You have given it to them, and you want to just maintain it the way it was. And you want, if you also are thinking that if the things are ending, let's just end it on good note. Do not drag it to so much of toxicity and so much of negativity that you do not even want to see each other's face. So you do not want to go at that level. Their actions towards you, Capricorns, is the Four of Pentacles with the Three of Pentacles and the Four of Cups in reverse. People are also trying to make them understand that try to mend things in a different way. Try to just finish the things. Do not linger on in the situation. Okay, do not try to hold on in the situation, because you will just think that you have wasted so much of time like fighting with each other. It's better to just end it, like talk it out and then end it. That is what you want. People are also trying to help them, but they are not thinking, my dear Capricorns. It's like their thought process is all changed. They are stubborn energies, fixed energies are coming. All right, so that is all from my side, my dear Capricorns. I don't know what is happening with me. So my dear Capricorns, and we hope this helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.